How to earn money by completing simple tasks online. Toloka will help you do that. This is 100% legit. I will also show you the payment proof. Toloka is available both on Android and iOS. Not limited to that, you can even use it on your browser without having to download the app. Download the app or visit the site from the description. When you first open the Toloka app, or even on the website, you will have to create an account. After the account creation, you will see a list of fun and interesting tasks along with the amount that you will be paid per task. The tasks are very fun, as you just have to record 27 sentences, take a video of yourself, help big entities in market research, and many more. They have new tasks every day, and also you can repeat the same task again and again if available. Some task needs to be reviewed to get paid, which might take a day or two, and some task pays you instantly. These tasks are tasks that could be completed only from the website, so take advantage and use both the app and website. And these are the tasks that require an Android device. I am on iOS, so I cannot use Android. The same goes for Android users, as some of the tasks are iOS specific. But most of the tasks are available for every device. I'll show you by completing a task now, but before that, let me show you my current earnings. You can see that I have 40 cents and 38 cents are under review, which means that the amount is pending as the task needs to be approved. Don't worry, almost every task is approved if done accordingly. You can also see that I have already withdrawn $1.95. I have recorded the withdrawal process, and I will show you at the end of this video also the payment proof. Okay, let me show you by completing this task. It is always necessary to read the instructions. After understanding the tasks, you have to click on Start. This task is basically recording myself from a frontal camera. I have completed this task earlier too. After filling up the required fields along with the video, click on Submit. Okay, so we have completed the task. Let's go to Profile. You can see that the amount under review has increased to 46 cents. It will be updated here in the main balance after it is approved. Remember, only a few tasks need approval, most of them are approved instantly and are added in the main balance. Now, let's talk about the payout methods, minimum payout amount, and payment proof. Okay, so as you can clearly see that you have 4 payout methods: PayPal, Papara, Payoneer, and Skrill. They also allow you to withdraw money via Kiwi and U-Money at selected locations. Toloka needs to verify your payout method account, which takes around 1 to 2 weeks. What is the minimum payout amount? The minimum payout amount for PayPal is 2 cents. But the amount will be increased to $1 if you try to withdraw the amount twice a week. So it depends on how frequently you are withdrawing the money. Here is a chart for other payout methods. Before I show you the payment proof, can I get a like and a subscribe? I'd appreciate it. Now, I'll show how to withdraw money from Toloka using PayPal along with payment proof. So this is how I withdrew $1.95. I have set up my PayPal account here. Just click on the icon of the preferred payout method. Now, enter your payout amount and click Next. And that's it, you will receive your payment within 48 hours. Okay, it took around 2 hours and I finally received my payment on my PayPal wallet. I withdrew $1.95 and got $1.91 after service tax. Toloka is owned by Yandex, and so the amount is sent by Yandex. Do like and subscribe if it deserves. Thanks for watching.